Yeah, hi. Bulu, are you able to hear me? Akash, Pintu. Can you respond, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the second class. So do you remember like what we discussed in the last class? Yashwant will be able to tell me what we discussed in the last class. High level note.
Sales order, sir,
Sales order creation. Okay.
sign of company, creation of order,
Correct. Very good.
big deliveries.
Yeah. Shipping. Okay. And how about tables?
Derivatives, we have
Yeah. What to say? Order to cash cycle. I don't know where I created a folder.
Backup.
Backup, where it is? I created somewhere, I forgot.
Yes.
We'll create
One not one.
Okay, here, yes, yes, good. So these are all we talked about. Something is not saved, that's okay. Okay, so as of now, a few steps completed. One is order entry. Another one is booking, then quick release. After that, only three steps completed, right? Or any other extra step completed? Okay. Now, the next step here is shipping here and query part also. Now also I'll develop a query so that you can get a good clarity. Query straight away you can get it through Google also. No need to worry in the company, but still you should learn how to combine. Interview is really helpful. Okay. We can directly go to on responsibility. We are talking about order management. So we need to go to order management responsibility. Then order items, sales orders. This is the navigation. If you want to create a new sales order, I have not saved earlier. We can go to line items. And whatever the item which we created. What was the item we created last time? Laptop we selected. Then quantity. Save. That is about the first step here. First step is order creation. one order may have a multiple lines. You can include some other also. Let's say you can fill mouse also. There's one to many relationship it is. Okay. Okay. This is called as a one to many. One sales order, many lines. There is no limit here. One to many relationship it is. Now, the tables we can club like this. We another headers of the line level. The common column is between these two is header ID. That's a common column between these two, header ID. If you want to display order number, you can display order number. If you don't know the column name where it is exactly stored, it's very easy. You can go to one particular diagnostics, examine. So this is the column name. And if you don't know the table where it is behind, you can go to record history. We are the headers. This is the way we can identify it. Now, order number always available into headers table. Yes, this is the one, but we require a column here. Statuses. Statuses is this one, entered. And here also status of your line. One line will be progressed further, one line will be stuck due to lack of stock. That's why lines are important here. Flow status code. Take this. Just double click, it will be copied automatically to the editor. Now this is a header status. One more column also there, that it's line status it is. And line table is always available into OL, and this is OH. That's it. Okay. Clearly, these are why I kept aliases for our understanding here. This is called as alias. Alias means another name of a column or another name of a table. So as of now, clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next step. Next step is what is booking. So I'm revising actually. So all this. Otherwise, I could have continued from shipping onwards. Book order. The moment we book it, so it is saying here failed because it does not have a proper quantity. Still, we can proceed. If we go to second line, okay, one line is saying clearly awaiting shipping. We go to actions, line information, deliveries. These are ready to release. How about another line? Back order will come later in the next stages. And if you don't know the table name behind this, it's not available here. Examine here, system, last query. Here is a place. This is the whenever you find a view to identify the information behind this is I already told you on shortcut key that is F4. And here is the place. There is option here, script. Now we can go to these tables. We'll use all the three tables in a sequential. First, delivery details is the number one. This is number two, number three days. Hierarchy we have to use. Join condition is also here only. These three tables and these two conditions. Okay. So I can type it or I can copy and paste here. It's up to you anyway. Now, first table is this one. Delivery details. Okay, copy. Fine. And now, whenever there are three tables here, so 3 minus 2, that's a formula. 2 joins required. But right now only one join is there, one join is pending. There will be a join between OER address or delivery details, or line level also join is there. So if you want to join with header level, you can see one source header ID column here. This is the one. To join with this line table, source line ID is there. So these are all. So they will not join with source code or any other stuff. It's fixed. So now tell me the join. OH dot primary key. Primary key what is header ID. And delivery details dot.
Source code.
Yes, source header ID. Perfect. Source header ID. That's it. Okay. Now we need a release status column. Released status. If you go to here, release status, there may be 150, 200 columns, but we don't take care of all those. This is a column. Comma. Status. Status. If any extra column, you may get this invalid table name. See, there is one comma we kept, but there is no table here. So that comma you remove it. That's it. So release status means R means ready to release it is. Okay, ready to release. If you want to make a join with line level also, there is an option here. OL dot line ID is equivalent to source line ID. So yeah, also now it is perfect. If you don't have this, see, it is wrong because 4 rows, but right now how many rows are there? Right now, your sales are having how many rows? This is one row, this is another row, but output is wrong. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that's why this join is required. Okay, that is called as a cross product. In one table, 2 rows, in other table, 2 rows, no, 2 into 2, 4 rows. That's wrong. Okay, this is the finalized query, but still there are some more columns also. We'll see. Now, but still there is one more table is required to check. That's assignment table. WSH delivery assignments table. Okay. Now join is here only, you can see between these two DA and DD. What is the join? DA and DD. Join is this delivery detail ID. I'm keeping here only. Okay. So I'm adding one more table. What is the table name? WSH. WSH means warehouse.
Warehouse.
So the data is warehouse only right now. DA. Join. Tell me the join. This one. Okay. Just copy paste also will work. That's it. But we require a delivery ID, right? As of now, delivery not yet happened, but still we should know delivery ID, whether it is generated or not. Okay, it's there already, but this one. DL. DL stands for what? New deliveries. Okay, here also we can take in this particular table. That's the primary key. Okay, sir, we are checking a wrong table. Assignments. This is one I'm talking about. So right now, if you look at this particular, did you deliver anything as of now? No. No means null record. See, no. Correct?
Yes.
It's a null. Null means nothing. So as of now, 2 steps only we completed, order entry and booking. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now next is pick release. Warehouse people, they will go to warehouse and they will pick up the goods, they will pack the item to deliver it to the customer. So pick release, who will do is delivery boys. So how they will do pick release is take this order number. Navigations you have to learn. Okay, navigations here we can say. See Alt T O I am pressing to minimize everything. Alt T O, that's a shortcut. Okay, so if you want, I can make a note here. Application shortcut to Alt button, T button, O button. Therefore, what it is to minimize everything. Menus. Menus, we'll call it menus. These are all called as a menu. This is one menu, another menu, like that. These are all menus only.
Okay.
And this is the responsibility. Okay. So now navigation is shipping, release sales order, release sales order. This is called as a navigation. So here also you can see shipping. This is also same only. Okay. Here rule based on rule is standard. Why standard only is if you click on this dots, these are all the rules. There are many rules. What is your warehouse? Your warehouse related only we have to take it. Let's say I'm taking here M1 related. These are all M1 related. Whatever you want, you can take. M1 is a warehouse we are talking about.
Okay.
So many things are there. So when the departure delivery, so these are all automatically it will be populated. Auto detail, auto pick confirm, create delivery. That is advantage. Some fields will be populated automatically. That's why this M1 I am taking here. You can take another one also. This also you can take, or this also you can take. Right now, standard I am taking. Okay. Why? Whenever you take this, if you go here, some fields are defaultly populated. See this one, this one, this one, this one. These are all. And that is the advantage of the rule here. Without rule also you can create it. But only thing is, some fields will be populated, necessary fields. Now, what the next step is? Execute. Here concurrent also is there. In a company, there will be thousands of users will work at a time. So it will be in a queue in this particular manager, concurrent manager. Okay, so okay, you can execute now. I'll show you concurrent manager means what. Concurrent manager means here, if you go to requests, these are all the programs. At a time, 100 people clicked on that, then that will be a traffic, right? So these are all manager kind of. So this is a standard manager. If 100 requests, system will take as a burden, right? That is the reason why if you are working alone, then you can click on execute now. In a company, you can click on concurrent. Go to view, requests, fine. So this programs mandatory will be submitted every time after doing a pick release. The next is shipping exception. Next is here auto pack report. These 3 programs. So purpose of this program is here mainly the order number and warehouse name, every information it will give. So if you click on this view, earlier delivery ID was not created, but now it is created. And this is the sales order number. The quantity is 3 only. One only it has picked up. The reason is stock is not there for other item. And your stock is available into M1 organization. The name of organization is Seattle. It's inventory. It's a godown, we can say. Godown name it is. Okay. Then it has picked up from one storeroom to it is moving to one staging room. For this moving, there is order number also there. This is the report actually. It's very easy just to track. Okay, because end users may not have a technical knowledge. They will see this report only. This is called as a report. Okay. Now, if you execute this, delivery ID will be created. Delivery ID. delivery status column, you can see here, this is the status code. Okay, status code. The status code is available into this new deliveries. Okay, first execute this. Earlier it was R, right? If stock is there, Y. If stock is not there, it will become a B. B for back order. Just click on this. Do you see? Y. Y means some stock is picked up, some stock is back order. Which item is back order? That also we have to check. Therefore, your item number is not there here. See, item. But item ID is there, or inventory item ID is there. If you want to track item name, item table is different. That's an MTL system identity. MTL is a material. System items B, MSI. Join condition is inventory item. At line level only. Inventory item ID. This is another item table. Which item we have taken? Laptop. Okay. Laptop we have taken, and one more is mouse also we have taken. Mouse has, there is no stock. That's why it has become B. B means back order. And this is stock is there, it has picked up properly. But still there are 3 records here. Earlier it was 2 only, right? Yes. That is because of organization ID. OL dot organization ID. Org ID is equivalent to MSI dot organization ID. Perfect. Earlier 1 row was extra, 2 rows was extra. Okay. So that's about the shipping related information. Delivery ID is created here. This row is now, it is no longer valid. The reason is back order it is. After creating a stock, once we have a successful stock, then we can proceed further. Okay. How many statuses you have seen as of now? First time R, right? R means ready to release. Now, yeah. Now it is back order or picked up. And one more table we missed it. That is new deliveries. This is a new deliveries. 3 tables only I'm copying here. The join between this one. Delivery assignment. DA means delivery assignments. DL means new deliveries. So take this under condition. And we require a status code column that will be a CL, OP right now. Later it will become a CL. An item number. Delivery column ambiguously defined means the column is available in many tables. Okay, so delivery ID, DA. That's it. The status code OP stands for what it is. Here only it is giving OP. So check in the application. OP means what? OP means open only. Your sales order is still open, not yet completed. OP means. Go to actions, additional information, deliveries. This one I'm talking about. Okay. So in which column you can see this? Status code. Table name. You should know table name, column name. Column name is what it is? Status code. And table name is what it is? New deliveries. Alias name, see, DL don't say, you have to say table name. This is just for query purpose. Alias name. Some people will see simply W and D instead of DL. DL means delivery. Okay, the alias is our own choice. Okay, next last step in this is shipping. Okay. So once you ship it, whatever you are seeing here, awaiting shipping will become a shipped here, and OP will become a CL here. Okay. These two changes will be there, and Y means C. If stock is there, it will become a C. Okay, overall 3 changes. Remember, one change is OP to CL, other change is Y to C, and one more is awaiting shipping to shipped. As of now, we haven't shipped. So 3 changes. Just let's do a program further step. So how many steps we completed till now? 3, right? Order entry, booking, quick release, and then shipping. Shipping is the now 4th one. For shipping, navigation is transactions. So select this. Find which one you wanted to ship it out of it. Back ordered one, we are not proceeding because due to lack of stock only it has become a back order. So I need to check this delivery and then ship confirm. Remove or ignore all this, whatever is there. Click on OK. Delivery was successfully confirmed. After delivery, there will be a couple of programs will be submitted that you should know. These are all the programs, whatever running right now. Interface, strip stop, load sheet, invoice. These are all for reporting purposes. If you want, I'll just show you the output. See, just observe field by field. What it has given means if you see delivery name. This is the delivery ID or delivery name, whatever. Okay. And how they are delivering is courier company like Navata Transport, Kranti Transport, like that. DHL it is. And how much quantity? 3. What is the item? Dell laptop. And signature. They need to put a signature. Shipper signature. Shipper means our company. And carrier means goods company. Okay. So if you deliver any Amazon item, Flipkart item, you can see this paper. This is called as invoice. A bill of lading. Invoice is this commercial invoice. It is. See, it's a bill. This is a bill. From to where? And finally, there will be a shipper signature, everything I can see. Okay. This is a bill here, and this is a bill of lading, and this is the invoice. And the rest of the programs are not required. If you click on view output also, you can see all the information here. Okay, these are ready-made, okay, just for verification. Now fire the same query. Whatever the changes, can you recall again? Here what will happen? Yashwant, awaiting shipping to shipped here. Y to
C.
Yes, perfect. OP to
C.
CL. Very good. Do you see? Shipped CL. Same query only. I have not done anything. So that's about the today's class. Now further, if you practice, then you can easily understand. Next steps are AR invoice, AR receipt, and then transfer to AR. These are all the 3 steps are pending. In the next class, I can easily finish all this. And some cross questions will be there. If you get a back order, what you can do. And those are all after finishing this query. So usually to finish this query, in my case, I'll take 1 minute or 2 minutes typing everything. You can copy paste. In your case, it will take half day initially. Then slowly you can reduce it. Just 3 minutes is enough to develop this query. Slowly, if you are in the initial phase, you may face difficulty, I know that. But once you learn this, then rest of the topics are very easy. Okay. So we'll have a practical session now after this. We'll start immediately. And I'll give you notes also. I think I already gave the notes in the app.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, like any doubts, I'm stopping here now. We'll have a practical session. Bulu, Pintu, Akash, Pulupa. Pulupa, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So let's have a practical session now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm just ending the video now. And we'll have a session now. You can open the laptops. Okay, recording I'm stopping, or else I'll end and I'll restart again. Please rejoin.